Hey there, sticker enthusiast. First of all, I totally agree with you. Stickers are like little pieces of cuteness and awesomeness in adhesive form. Who doesn't love them, right? They add a splash of personality to anything they stick on, be it a laptop, notebook, or even your cat. Just kidding, don't stick stickers on your cat. They might not appreciate it. Now, let's talk business. Sticker shops are springing up all over the place, and it's like a sticker fever has taken over the world. And guess what? People are making some serious dough out of it. I mean, 6 and 7 figures. That's more than some movie stars make for a single movie. Stickers are clearly the real stars now. But hold on, I can hear those self-doubt voices creeping in. You might think, hey, I'm not a designer, and I can't even draw a stick figure without it looking like a deformed potato. Fear not. That's where the magic of ChatGPT and Leonardo AI come to the rescue. Picture this, you, your computer, and a world of endless possibilities. It's like having your own personal creative genie that grants your sticker wishes. No need for a magic paintbrush or software skills. These AI tools will lead the way. You know, selling digital sticker files is like having a sticker printing press that never runs out of ink. Once you design a sticker, it's like a cash-producing conveyor belt, churning out profits over and over again. In this exclusive video, we'll unveil the secret to sticker success, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create stunning designs. Your friends will be asking you, hey, did you go to art school in secret? And you can just smirk and reply, nah, I've got my own AI art school now. Let's dive into the whole process, starting with idea generation. You can sign up to use ChatGPT for free using your Gmail address in under a minute. When you log in, you'll see a window with ChatGPT. Then type in the prompt, generate a list of ideas for a cute image-only sticker that I could sell, and hit enter. It'll begin typing out a list in real time. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never runs out of ideas. From there, we could ask it to make each idea more detailed. Here's what ChatGPT came up with. Once you've found the idea that makes your heart skip a beat, the one that tickles your creativity bone, or just makes you grin from ear to ear, that's the one. Trust your gut. It's the ultimate sticker picking guru. Next up, we unleash the power of Leonardo AI. It's like the Midas touch for images, turning your chosen idea into stunning sticker designs. And the best part? Leonardo AI is free. Yes, free. We all love free stuff, don't we? So let's head over to the Leonardo AI website and get our creative capes on. Signing up is a piece of cake. Just enter your first name and email and they'll count you in. Now, hold your horses. A message about joining their Discord might pop up, but you can totally ignore that. We're on a mission, and there's no time for Discord distractions. Just go back, click Start Using Leonardo in the top right corner, and select Yes, I'm whitelisted. Once you're inside Leonardo AI, it's like stepping into an artistic wonderland. You get to create jaw-dropping images, just like the ones you see on the screen. It's like having a magic paintbrush that brings your ideas to life in a snap. Prepare to be amazed and addicted to this delightful tool. All right, let's get those adorable sticker designs rolling. First things first. Click on the Generate Your Image option on the side. Now, before we get all sticky, I have to tell you about Leonardo AI and its token magic. You've got 150 free tokens to start with. Think of them as your AI currency. Each time you generate an image, it'll cost you some tokens, but no worries, my friend. Your token count will refresh every 24 hours. That means you'll have a fresh batch of 150 tokens waiting for you like a cute little surprise each day. How generous, right? Now let's talk about selecting the right model. You know, it's like choosing the perfect paintbrush for your masterpiece. Dreamshaper version 7 is the go-to model for creating fabulous sticker designs. Stick with this one, pun intended, because it's pour some for the job. Before we hit generate, we need to input a sticker design idea. Going back to ChatGPT where we generated sticker ideas earlier, one idea caught my attention. Adorable animals. That's what I'll choose for the sticker design. Alright, here comes the fun part. I'm typing adorable baby panda sticker watercolor into the prompt. This time I chose watercolor style because who doesn't love that dreamy, artsy touch? But hey, you could totally go wild and choose cartoon or Disney style if that floats your boat. Ready to see the magic happen? Hit that generate button and watch as our digital Picasso conjures up delightful panda sticker designs. Behold the adorable watercolor baby panda stickers. The cuteness levels are off the charts. But hey, we're not done yet. Let's try another. How about baby deer? Let's give this little fawn a chance to shine. Click generate once more and ta-da! There's our baby deer collection. Oh, and don't forget to save your masterpieces to your computer. They deserve a special spot in your digital gallery. Just click the download button and bam, you've got your adorable panda stickers ready to spread some joy. Okay, so the next. We're about to work some magic and remove those boring backgrounds from our stickers. Now, if you're already a Photoshop pro, kudos to you. You're like the Gandalf of photo editing, and you shall pass through this journey with ease. Sure, Photoshop might be the cool kid on the block, but fear not. We've got Photopea, the superhero alternative, swooping in to save the day with its free web-based powers. So no worries, even if you're rolling without Photoshop, Photopea's got your back. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, we need to set up our sticker making workshop. Open up Photopea, and we'll create a project that's 10 inches by 10 inches with a dazzling 300 pixels per inch. High resolution, just like a high five from your best friend. Once we've got our canvas set up, it's time to get our image up in here. Drag and drop that fine piece of art we created earlier in Leonardo AI. Okay, we're ready to tackle that pesky background. Grab the magic wand tool like a digital magician and give that background a click. Voila, the wand should work its charm, but let's make sure it's perfect. Zoom in and give the border a good inspection. No serious errors allowed. We want to select our precious sticker, not the dull white area around it. Once you've got a good selection, let's smooth things out to make it even more polished. Go to the Select menu, hit Modify, and opt for a smoothing value of about 6 pixels, smooth as butter. Oh, and now let's contract it a bit, like a 5-pixel shrinkage, just enough to snuggle up to that black border without grabbing much of the white. A little resizing magic never hurts. Okay, moment of truth. We're going to inverse our selection and separate the sticker from its background buddies. Right-click and select Inverse, or give it a shortcut shock with Shift plus Control plus I if you're feeling adventurous. Now, for the grand finale, press Ctrl J or Command J if you're on a shiny Mac. Ta-da! Look at the Layers tab. Your sticker has its own exclusive layer now. No more rubbing elbows with those dull backgrounds. And there you have it. A perfectly cut out, stylish baby deer sticker ready to charm the world. Well done. Now let's save our masterpiece as a PNG and set it free into the world of stickers. Just hit File, then Export as PNG, and give it a name. Save it to your computer, and voila. Mission accomplished. If you want to sell your stickers, it's best to have mock-ups to bring them to life, and let me tell you, they're the secret sauce to making your customers go, wow. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where can I find these marvelous mock-ups? Fear not. We've got some nifty options for you. First up, the lazy way, or the genius way, we won't judge. Websites like Printify offer free mock-ups for your sticker babies. It's like magic. They take your designs and slap them onto fancy mock-ups, making them look like they're straight out of a sticker dreamland. Or, if you're feeling crafty and have a printer at home, you can do it yourself. Get some sticker paper, print those lovable designs, and cut them out like a pro. Place those babies wherever you want, and voila, a real-life sticker wonderland. And here's the best part. You can even snap pictures without actually sticking them. It's like the stickers in stealth mode technique. Sneaky, huh? But wait, there's more. If you want to go full-on sticker Picasso, you can create your own mock-ups using Photopea or Photoshop. It's like being a master chef, but instead of ingredients, you mix pixels and creativity. First, upload your sticker. Next, add a background. I will use a wooden background for this example, but feel free to choose any background that suits your stickers. You can find free backgrounds on websites like FreePic or Pexels. Once you've got your background in place, drag and drop it onto Photopea's canvas. Move it behind the sticker layer like the backstage crew, supporting the real star. And oh, let's not forget the drop shadow option. It's like giving your stickers their very own spotlight to shine. Now, if you're feeling extra crafty and want to showcase your stickers in different shapes and sizes, let's play with resizing and duplicating. Press Ctrl J and watch your sticker multiply like cute little sticker clones, ready to conquer the world. And if you've got more than one design up your sleeve, why not create a sticker sheet? You know, like the ones we used to beg our parents for as kids. Make your sticker collection shine like a constellation in sticker heaven. Now, you've got your super cool stickers all set, and the next step is to unleash them onto the world like a stampede of adorable animals. Etsy and Redbubble are your online sticker selling playgrounds, and trust me, people go bananas for cute and quirky stickers like they're on a sticker collecting safari. So let's dive into these sticker selling secrets. First up, we've got tip number 1, promote creatively. You know, being creative is the key to unlocking the treasure chest of success. Share those stickers on social media like a pro. TikTok is like a magical unicorn when it comes to engaging with your audience. Moving on to tip number 2, offer bundles and discounts. Picture this. Your customers see a bundle of your adorable stickers and their eyes light up like fireworks on New Year's Eve. Offering sticker bundles and discounts is like a double scoop of ice cream on a sunny day. Irresistible. They'll be piling up their carts faster than you can say sticky situation. And last but not least, tip number 3, track analytics and feedback. You know what they say? Data is like sticker gold. Keep an eye on those sales numbers, read those customer reviews like they're the juiciest gossip, and watch trends like a hawk on a mouse hunt. It's like having a superpower to read the minds of your customers. My sticker selling guru. These tips are your secret sauce to sticker success. And hey, did you enjoy this sticker selling adventure? Don't be shy. Let us know in the comments, throw us some love, and hit that like button like it owes you money. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest sticker shenanigans. Keep on sticking and rocking, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, may your stickers be as sticky as glue and your sales as high as a hot air balloon. Happy sticker selling!